Good afternoon, everyone. Class 11, Subject Biology, Unit 2nd, Chapter 5th, Morphology of Flowering Plants. Continue this topic. The leaf. Show in this the figures of leaf. Leaf consists of three parts: leaf base, petiole, and lamina. This part is called stipules. This is lamina. This present is midrib. This is vein, and attached to the stem is called petiole. Leaf base, axillary bud. A leaf consists of three parts: leaf base, petiole, and lamina. May be bearing two small leaf-like structure called stipule. Middle prominent vein is called midrib, midvein या midrib. Transfer of water and minerals. The arrangements of veinlets in the lamina is called venation. Venation divided into two forms: reticulate venation and pallar venation. Veinlets form network. A network is absent. Pallar venations. Reticulate venation veins are irregularly distributed. Pallar venation veins are pallar to one another. Third, reticulated venation. It is present in all dicotyledonous like gram, peas, beans, mango, etc. It is present in monocotyledonous like grass, banana, rice, etc. Types of leaf. Two types of leaves. Firstly, two types of leaf: compound leaves and simple leaf. Compound leaves, example for neem, rose. Simple leaves like people. Compound leaves further divided into two forms: pinnately compound leaves and palmately compound leaves. Next, inflorescence. Inflorescence, the arrangement of flowers. 1. The flower axis in term as inflorescence. Inflorescence divided into two types: racemose and cymose. The main axis contains two grow racemose. Flowers are borne laterally in an acropetal succession, for example radish and mustard, etc. Cymose main axis terminates in flowers having limited growth. Flowers are borne in a basipetal successions, for example jasmine and bougainvillea, etc. Next, flower. Flower based on the positions of ovary with respect to other flower parts on thalamus. Flowers are of following types. First type is hypogamous, second perigynous and epigynous. Hypogamous ovary occupies the highest positions. The ovary in such case is called superior. हाइपोगैमस में ओवरी क्या होती है? सुपीरियर होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल चाइना रोज, मस्टर्ड, एक्सेट्रा. Perigynous if the gynoecium is situated at the center and other parts are on the rim at same height. Ovary is called half inferior and half superior. Ovary इसकी क्या होती है? Half inferior and half superior. Half inferior and half superior. Epigynous means the margin of thalamus group grows to completely cover the ovary. Ovary is said to be inferior. इसमें ovary क्या होती है? Inferior होती है. This is difference between hypogamous, perigynous and epigynous. Next, calyx and corolla. Calyx it is units of sepal. Protect the flower is bud stage. Gamosepalous, and gamosepalous, polysepalous, Gamosepalous sepals are united and polysepalous sepals are free. Corolla. Corolla, it is units of petals. Corolla unit is petal. This is valvate, twisted, imbricate, waxillary types of corolla present in flowers. Valvate. The mode of arrangement of metal petals is flower buds with respect to other member of same whole in called estivation. In valvate, petals touch each other as a calotropis. Twisted. Twisted है. In twisted estivation, the whole overlap each other as in China rose. This is overlap each other. एक दूसरे को ये क्या कर रहा है? Overlap कर रहा है. It is twisted form. For example, China rose. Imbricate. Imbricate estivation margin overlap each other but not in partially fashions as in gulmohar. Imbricate. एक first petal is completely inside, then inside, outside and inside, outside, inside, then completely outside, inside and outside. It is called imbricate. Waxillary. There are 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 petals are largest, overlap the 2 lateral petals, wings like petals, and which is turn overlap to smallest anterior petals, petals like keel. These types of estivation, it is known as waxillary or papilionaceous. Androecium. The male reproductive parts of flower consist of stamens. Pollen grains are produced in pollen sac. Sterile stem is called stamenoid. Gynoecium. Gynoecium, it is female reproductive parts of flowers consist or more carpel. Each carpel is made up of stigma, style or ovary. Next, placentation. The arrangement of ovules within the ovary is called placentation. Placentation divided into some parts: marginal, axial, partial, free, central and basal. Marginal, for example, pea plant; axial in present China rose; partial in present mustard; free, central dianthus and basal sunflowers. Fruits. Epicarp. Outside layer is called epicarp. Mesocarp, seed and seed endocarp. Pericarp, fleshy and thick. Pericarp, fleshy and thick, divided into 3 parts: epicarp, mesocarp, endocarp. Dicotyledonous seed is made up of seed coat and embryo. Monocotyledonous seeds are outer covering of endosperm separate the embryo by a proteinaceous layer called is aileron layer. This is covering by the seed coat and fruit wall. Scutellum, it is a single cotyledonous, is called having short bearing plumes and radicles. This is plumes, plumule, plumes and radicals. The family Fabaceae family and family Solanaceae family you have studied. You do it yourself. Solanaceae. Floral formula: this is actinomorphic flower, actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5, corolla 5, androecium 5, superior. Gynoecium is superior in bracket 2. Thank you. Complete this topic is completed. Tomorrow we have continue this topic exercise.